And another thing is to find out articles. When we speak about, oh, we have to do research and this and that, you come to this system. If it depends on your university, so if your university is giving you access to this very platform, which is EBESCO Host, then you can come to this link, of course, in the description below. Click on the login, and here, if you don't have Google ID, you don't have maybe user ID for the password, let's just say institutional login, and in this case you can choose the university. For example, if I have my university located in Hungarian educational system, so I'll choose this one, and it brings me to which university is giving me the access to this. So it's University of Pécs, and yeah, here I can put my credentials in, and this brings me into the system. Here I can choose EBESCO Host Web, and here I am. So this is auto translating once again. I probably don't want that. I can say show original and then bring the language to English. Nyelvek is the, so I can choose all of them, and here I can continue. Once I have this, I can put whatever information I want to be looking for. So yeah, let's see which information is the one I will look for. So for example, I want to look for the effect of the number of nursing in the efficiency and quality of nursing, right? I can paste it here, and let's see. I got some articles here. Shift work and quality of sleep, effect of working in design dynamic light. So these are some of the articles. Here I can for example click on one and can be reading it, right? And there are plenty options I can look for. If I don't want article from too far away, then I can choose to have it, let's say, from previous 5 years, so it will be changing the articles according to my search criteria now. So there are now 78,000 articles in the list. I can even look for, I guess, full text articles. We will mazid, we will shorten it down, and yeah, so you can see a lot of articles are here. I can put them in the folder by clicking this plus sign. I can cite it as we did in my last video. So this is pretty much it, and yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching.